Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class we are completed up to level 2 second problem. Okay, now see here third problem, sine by 14, sine 3 pi by 14, sine 5 pi by 14, sine 7 pi by 14, sine 9 pi by 14 into sine 11 pi by 14, sine 13 pi by 14. So here sine 7 pi by 14, 7 2s are 14, so it will come sine 90 degrees. So first three I am written same, and 9 pi by 14 means I am written here sine of pi minus pi pi by 14. 11 pi by 14 means pi minus 3 pi by 14. 13 pi by 14 means pi minus pi by 14. So here first three we can keep same like that, and fourth one, that is we got 90 degrees, sine 90 is 1. Now remaining three, observe that the last three terms, those are in 180 minus theta. So in second quadrant sine is positive, yes or no? Sine positive. So sine 180 minus theta, sine theta. At the time, the first term, last term. First second term, last second term. First third term, last third term. Both are same. Okay, but those are in multiplication. Already we know that a into a, how much, students? A into a means a square. If in multiplication two terms are equal means we will write the square or not. That's why I'm written sine pi by 14, sine 3 pi by 14, sine 5 pi by 14 whole square. Now sine I am going to convert in terms of cos. How? See here, already I am written here 5 pi by 14 we can write pi by 2 minus pi by 7. If you are getting doubt, take the LCM, then you will understand. This is 3 pi by 14 means pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 7. And minus pi by 14, we can write pi by 2 minus 4 pi by 7. But here only sine pi by 14 is there. So I am writing minus of sine minus pi by 14. Minus of sine minus theta, that is sine theta only. Okay. Now in place of those, here sine is there, here also sine, here also sine. So here first terms, observe that 90 degrees is there or not. Sine 90 is going to change cos. That's why here I am getting cos terms. See here totally cos pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7 is there. 4 pi, 4 means I am writing 2 square. 2 square. So cos pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos 2 square pi by 7 whole square. Already we know that formula. Cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 2 square theta and so on. Cos 2 power n theta, that is equal to sine 2 power n plus 1 theta divided by 2 power n plus 1 sine theta. Students, observe that what is n value? N means number of terms. Or observe that here 2 square is there. 2 square. This is the n value. Yes or no? Substitute now. Sine 2 power n plus 1 theta. Theta means small angle, that is pi by 7. Okay. In denominator, what we can write? Tell me. Divided by 2 power 2 plus 1 into sine pi by 7. Now numerator, that is sine 2 cube. 2 cube means 8 or not? 8 pi by 7, that is I am going to write what, students? Pi plus pi by 7 divided by denominator 8 into sine pi by 7. But here whole square is there, we didn't written. Now this is whole square, and here also whole square. Now see that sine 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. In third quadrant, sign is negative. So finally, in numerator, we get minus sine pi by 7. Yes or no? And denominator 8 sine pi by 7 and whole square. Don't forget the square, whole square. Okay. Now here sine pi by 7 is going to cancel. Minus 1 by 8 whole square means that is 1 by 64. This is the answer. Finally, see the options. Which option is correct, students? 1 by 64. First option is correct. Next question. Fourth question. How to do this? On right hand side cos theta is there. Right hand side cos x. So left hand side, so convert into in terms of cos only. Then only we'll get the answer. Tell me sine 3 theta formula. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Okay. First one is sine 3 theta. I'm written formula. Next minus sine theta. Students, what is their next term? Sine square 2 theta. What is sine 2 theta formula? Tell me. 2 sine theta cos theta. And square is there now. So we get 4 sine square theta cos square theta. How we got? Sine 2 theta formula. 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. If it is there whole square, here also square will come or not? 2 square means 4 sine square theta cos square theta. Go to the denominator. What is their denominator? Sine theta plus. Again, sine 2 theta is there. Formula 2 sine theta cos theta into cos theta. Okay. Now, numerator. Calculate that. What happened? See, 3 sine theta. And overall, we can take sine theta common. Yes. So I am going to take sine theta common in numerator. Only sine theta common. Then what about remaining? 3 minus. Here, 4 sine square theta minus 4 sine square theta cos square theta divided by, and denominator also take sine theta common. Then what is the remaining? 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Okay, sine theta is cancelled. Now remaining how to do that? That is important. So numerator 3 minus. In both the terms, take the common 4 sine square theta. Remaining what is there, students? Tell me. 1 plus cos square theta. 1 plus cos square theta. And go to denominator. What happened? 1 plus 2 cos square theta. This is. Then how to calculate remaining? Numerator 3 minus 4 sine square theta is there. Sine square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta or not? Into, sorry, here 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. 1 plus cos square theta. Denominator 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Next, again numerator 3 minus 4 into 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cos square theta. How much will come? 1 minus cos power 4 theta. I think that is lengthy. Denominator, what is there? 1 plus 2 cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos power 4 theta. Just multiply with 4 and calculate this. These two is going to cancel or not? 2 cos square theta minus 1. How much? Cos 2 theta. But in the question they are given right hand side is cos x. Compare both. Then what is x value, students? 2 theta. This is the answer. How to do this problem? First, sin alpha plus cos alpha is equal to m is there. Do that squaring on both sides. Sin alpha plus cos alpha whole square is equal to m square. Left hand side expand. A plus b whole square form now. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1 plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 2 sin alpha cos alpha, that is equal to m square. Finally here sin alpha cos alpha value, how much, students, tell me? First 1 send that right hand side minus 1 and 2 also send, it is going to denominator. So sin alpha cos alpha value we got. Next, sin power 6 alpha plus cos power 6 alpha. This is, we can write sin square alpha whole cube plus cos square alpha whole cube. This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into sin square alpha plus cos square alpha into a plus b into a square minus ab sin square alpha cos square alpha sin square alpha cos square alpha plus b square, that is cos power 4 alpha. I think this is a lengthy formula. Use another formula. A cube plus b cube means, what is that? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Use this formula. I think it is useful. 3 sin square alpha cos square alpha into sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. I think this is useful. That is also useful, but it will take so half minute extra. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1 cube 1 minus 3 into here sin square alpha cos square alpha. That is, I am writing sin alpha cos alpha whole square into 1 again. Now 1 minus 3 into m square minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is. Now take the LCM. 2 square means it is 4. 4 minus 3 into m square minus 1 whole square. This is the final answer, students. See that which option is correct? Second option is correct. Ninth question. How to do this problem? See, first, so I'm going to use a shortcut method. Let take theta is equal to 0 degrees. If theta 0 degrees, then what happened remaining? C, x tan of minus theta minus tan theta, that is tan 30 degrees minus 1 by root 3, that is equal to y into tan 2 pi by 3, tan 2 pi by 3. So how to write? That is tan pi minus pi by 3 or not? 180 minus theta, second quadrant, tan negative. So here we get tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by 3. That means minus root 3 or not? This is minus root 3. That is equal to, take some constant. I am taking k. Okay. Then what is x value, students? X value is minus root 3k. And y value? Minus k by root 3. This is assumption only. Just to say both two values are equal to some constant. Now substitute in the question x plus y by x minus y. This is the question. What is x, students? Minus root 3k. Y means minus k by root 3. Go to denominator, minus root 3k, minus into minus, plus k by root 3. And take the LCM, numerator and denominator. Root 3 is the LCM or not? It's going to cancel. Now remaining part. And take the numerator and denominator k also common. Then what is the remaining part? Minus 3 minus 1 divided by k into minus 3 plus 1. Yes or no? So or you can write root 3. Here also root 3. K cancel. Root 3 also cancel. Overall we get minus 4 by minus 2. That is 2. Now verify the options. In place of theta, substitute 0 degrees. And first option, what happens, friends? Cos 2 into 0, cos 0, 1. Second option, 2 into 1, that is 2. Third option, sine 0, 0. Fourth option, 2 into 0, that is 0. So which option is satisfied? Second option or not? Second option, it is satisfied. Friends, all of you understood now? What is 2 cos A cos B? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This is the formula. That's why I multiplied and divide with 2. Only cos A cos B means there is no formula. 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Here students, A and B value how to take? A values take big, B value take small. Then only A minus B you will get positive. Okay. So here I am thinking that A is 65, B is 55. Now tell me, cos of A plus B, 65 plus 55, 120 degrees. Yes or no? Plus cos of A minus B, 65 minus 55, that is 10 degrees. So finally, first term is completed. Plus, go to the second term, cos of A plus B, 175 plus 65, 240 degrees. Yes or no? Plus cos A minus B, 175 minus 65, that is 110, 110. So second one also completed. Go to the third one, 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B, 175 plus 55, 60, 230 degrees. Friends, it is correct. Cos 230 degrees plus cos of A minus B, 175 minus 55, 120, cos 120. Okay. Now calculate this. How to calculate? 1 by 2 into cos 120, cos 120. 2 into cos 120. Okay, good. Plus cos 10. How to write? Plus cos 240. These two, observe that. So we can use any formula. Any formula. Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. Or we can go another method, no problem. 240, how to write, students? Cos 180 plus 60. Yes. Cos 110. 110, how to write? 110, how to write? Okay. Let it be. We can write same like that, no problem. 110 plus 230 degrees. 230, how to write? Tell me finally. 360 minus 130. 360 minus 130, that is 230 or not? Okay, finally 1 by 2, 2 into cos 120 minus 1 by 2 plus cos 10. Okay, cos 10 I will write it later. That means next step. Okay. Now here 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60, which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos negative. We get minus cos 60 plus this is cos 10 plus cos 110. That is, we can write 120 minus 10. So no, plus cos 360 minus 130. Fourth quadrant, cos positive, and we get cos 130. 130 means I am going to write 120 plus 10. This is okay. Now finally, how to do that? Here 2 to cancel. 1 by 2 into minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. I think cos theta, cos 120 minus theta plus cos 120 plus theta, that answer should be 0. That answer should be 0. Already we have discussed formulas. Yes or no? Now 1 by 2, we get minus 3 by 2. So total answer I am expecting that minus 3 by 4. First option is correct.